The error validating basket on DoorDash occurs when the app cannot confirm your order details before payment. This prevents invalid orders from being processed. You might see an error message like this on your screen, indicating the system can't verify the basket contents. Key reasons include mismatches in item availability, pricing changes during your session, payment method issues, and app glitches. Technically, this stems from real-time synchronization problems between your selections, the restaurant's menu data, and DoorDash's back-end databases. The error acts as a system safeguard, preventing invalid orders from going through. It's not usually caused by user error. This issue affects about 15 to 20% of users during peak ordering times. DoorDash is actively working to reduce these occurrences using AI-driven solutions. First, force close and reopen the DoorDash app, clearing the cache in your phone's settings. Go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, and Clear Cache. Next, check your basket for unavailable items or adjust quantities. Tap Update Basket to revalidate. Update your payment information, or try a different payment method like PayPal. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and the app is up to date. If these steps don't work, contact DoorDash support via the app or email. To prevent the error, enable notifications for menu changes and use Save for Later.